working. A lot easier just to let go. Come on! How about a break? You gotta be the big hero, don't you? Whoa! 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 Stupid. They don't build them like they used to. Shit! What else could go wrong? Hope this one holds. So tired of climbing shit. That's not a good sign. Terra firma.
Don't let him escape!
the love of God.
On him! Wounded! Finish him!
Ah!
He got him! You can't run forever! Search the area.
Damn it. Climb out over there. I'm either gonna bleed out or I'm gonna climb out. Ah, shit, it's cold.
Emma, call a sergeant top some chit. Shepherds are like you, come on the top.
How did I get here?
Kalice, Kira Gurumbu lega di Chayamare. Kira Mashi was so the chambore.
How long have I been out?
Yeah. Tung.
Thanks.
Ditungus.
No. That's plenty.
Cannot trouble Kira 2 year good desha. Ya lang to Sarebe.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Ya lang.
Thanks.
Yeah, Kira Devo Imbe. Yeah, sure. Shepherd Kira good desha. Sure. Kiranim the Kejishi good desha.
The hell am I?
Sure. Yenyam the show.
Guess I'm supposed to follow him. John, does anyone speak English? Hey, Moo. Suppose you speak English, do you? Where the hell am I?
You need to show.
Keep it on.
Yenyam the show.
Let's see if we can get our bearings. Okay, those are mountains.
You need to show. 아주 정말 겨우채고 그랬다. You need to show.
I got it. Follow you. Go somewhere. Excuse me. What?
You need to show.
Let's see what's up this way. Ah! Telephone. Damn it, where's the telephone?
Dad,
Here you go. Get it.
누구지?
Kick it back. Come on, kick it back. Oh, there you go. Want to kick the ball? Forget it. Hello. Hi. How you doing, pal? Hey, how are you, fella? Good to see you. Hey, how are you?
계란 간대도
Hey, how you doing?
쑥마 케찹 베몰람이 먼저 상황 요거 채우고 그러다.
간다. 양가 친구네.
You listen to your mom, okay? Be a good boy. Morning. Hello. Hi.
그래.
Hi. Hello.
요거지.
Couldn't see so.
I see you two hiding. Boo. How you doing, pal?
You need to show.
Just when I thought I had nothing left to lose.
Nate! Oh, thank God you're all right. I'm sorry,
It's all right. Elena, tell me you have some idea of what's going on. I mean, how long have I been here?
Hey, only a few days. I followed the tracks to the wreckage. What the hell happened?
You were right about Chloe. Turns out she wasn't exactly looking to be rescued.
Wait, did she do that?
No, I have Flynn to thank for this.
셰프 구대샤.
Yeah. Nya got Susong. Come on, there's somebody who's anxious to meet you.
So, our mysterious guest awakes.
Nate, this is Carl Schaefer.
How are you feeling?
Good. Thanks.
Good, good. Please, sit. It appears you and I have much in common, Mr. Drake.
Is that so?
Yes. 70 years ago, I came here just like you, carried into the village near death, the last survivor of my company. I was hired to lead an expedition into Tibet to find the entrance to Shambhala. What they really wanted was the Chintamani stone. So, my friend, where did you find this?
Borneo. Why?
This is the key to Shambhala.
It's the one object your opponent desperately needs, even if he does not know it yet.
Oh, I think he knows. Look, I'm very grateful for everything you've done for me. I really am, but I'm through with all this.
So, they have beaten you, huh? Your quest is over?
Yeah, that's right.
What if it's only beginning?
Where did you find this guy?
Trust me, young man, your ego will mend. You're just lucky to be alive.
Yeah, you know, people are always telling me how lucky I am. But the truth is, everything I touch turns to shit.
Nate.
No, Elena, I'm done. Now, come on, I'm through playing the hero.
Your adversary will not give up so easily. He will not stop until he possesses the thing he desires.
Oh, yeah? Well, more power to him.
Power is precisely the problem. Some of the most fearsome rulers through history have possessed only a fragment of the Chintamani stone. Men like Tamburlaine, Genghis Khan. If a mere sliver could bestow such power, what would a man become if he possessed the stone itself?
This is crazy.
It's got to be what he's after, Nate.
Then Lazarevich really is a nutjob. He's chasing a myth.
And what if he's not?
Elena, come on.
Well, I mean, what if it's true? We've seen what he's capable of.
I understand your doubt. You require proof. Something you can see with your own eyes. Tenzin, Tinsanantara Tingonre. Find the remains of my expedition, and you will have your proof. Tenzin will guide you.
쉬어. 얘념도 쉬어. 가르쳐서.
I hope I live to regret this.
Just come back in one piece.
Don't suppose you speak any English, do you, pal? Well, this looks inviting. What's it say?
네 딱쟁이 땡기도.
Why do I ask?
네 됐어.
I'm not so good with charades, pal.
꼭 봐. 좀 매겨.
Wait. Tenzin! Why do you need that?